Hi everyone, my name is David and welcome to this video. And this video is also a question I'm going to answer from Nguyen. And Nguyen asked me, "Hi, I have a subtitle file with all uppercase. Do you know how to convert it to lowercase with subtitle edit?" So in this video, I'll show you how to convert a subtitle casing, that is the words from different cases, so that if you're ever in such a situation, you can always sort it out using subtitle edit. Now let's begin. So I'll open up Subtitle Edit. So here we go. And I already have a subtitle file with all caps. So I can just go to video, open video file, and just open the video file that corresponds to this. If I just double click on this, you'll notice that the subtitle is all caps. So how do we change this to lowercase, or even ensure that the words that begin a sentence, the letters are capitalized, etc. It's pretty simple. All we need to do is just go to Tools, Change Casing, or use Ctrl-Shift-C. Just press on that, and you'll see the option to change casing to normal casing. Sentences begin with uppercase letter, and there's a checkbox, two checkboxes to fix names casing via dictionaries, names.xml. Also, only change all uppercase lines. The second option here is to fix only names casing via dictionaries / names.xml. There's also an all uppercase, and then there's also an all lowercase. So in the case of Nguyen here, he wanted to convert it to lowercase. So all you need to do is just click on all lowercase, just click OK. And everything is going to be lowercase. Everything, all the subtitles will be lowercase. But let's assume you wanted to leave the beginning of the sentences with the word or the letter capitalized. So you just come back to Tools, Change Casing, Normal Casing, and ensure that, for example, I mentioned my name here, that it fixes the names casing via dictionaries / names.xml. Click OK. And you're going to be prompted to ensure that the names that have been selected are available. So Av is not a name for the purposes of this video. Just uncheck that box and just leave David and YouTube to be the names that will have the styling the way it has been displayed here. So once we do that, it also shows where those particular names or names have been mentioned. And once you do that, just click on OK. Once you do that, my name is going to be capitalized. Where I mention YouTube is going to be capitalized, etc. So that is how you change the casing of a subtitle from uppercase to lowercase, or even different cases with the initial letter at the beginning of a sentence to an uppercase. So thanks Nguyen for your question, and I hope that this video answers your question and maybe anyone else that ever has this particular issue. Thanks for asking.